SOA and REST, two terms you've probably heard tossed around in tech circles, but what do they really mean, and how are they different? Both are about how software components talk to each other, but they take very different approaches. Think of SOA and REST like two sets of Lego instructions. Both let you build, but the pieces and rules are unique. Understanding the difference is crucial for building robust, scalable systems. In this video, we'll break down SOA and REST, focusing on their core principles and real-world impact. We'll start with the structured world of SOA, then move to the lightweight flexibility of REST. By the end, you'll know when to use each, and why it matters. Let's dive in and clear up the confusion. Service-oriented architecture, or SOA, is a design pattern for building large enterprise systems out of smaller, reusable services. Each service handles a specific business function, like processing payments or checking inventory, and can be reused across different applications. These services communicate through formal contracts, often using protocols like SOAP and data formats like XML, all coordinated by an enterprise service bus or ESB. The ESB acts as a central hub, routing messages and ensuring reliable communication. This modular approach makes it easy to update or add services without disrupting the whole system. SOA is ideal for integrating diverse, complex systems. Think legacy mainframes working alongside modern web apps. However, its formality and reliance on heavy protocols can add complexity and overhead. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is an architectural style built for the web. It treats everything as a resource, each with a unique URL, and uses standard HTTP methods, GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, for communication. RESTful systems are stateless. Every request contains all the information needed, so the server doesn't remember previous interactions. This makes REST highly scalable and easy to implement. No special messaging bus required. REST typically uses lightweight data formats, like JSON, making it perfect for web and mobile apps. When your phone checks the weather or loads a social feed, it's almost certainly using a RESTful API. REST's simplicity and speed have made it the go-to choice for public APIs. It's all about fast, flexible, and universal communication. Let's compare SOA and REST side by side. SOA is a broad, enterprise-focused pattern for integrating diverse systems through reusable services and a central ESB. REST is a lightweight style for building web services, using simple HTTP methods and stateless interactions. SOA relies on complex protocols like SOAP and XML, while REST prefers HTTP and JSON. SOA's central bus can add overhead, but it excels at orchestrating complex, multi-step business processes. REST's statelessness and direct communication make it ideal for scalable, high-performance APIs. SOA is best for internal enterprise integration. REST shines in public-facing web and mobile apps. Many organizations use both SOA for backend integration, REST for exposing services to the outside world. The key is choosing the right tool for your needs. Imagine a large bank's IT landscape. Internally, SOA connects systems like core banking, credit cards, and CRM through services coordinated by an ESB. For example, a loan application triggers a series of service calls, customer verification, credit check, account status, all managed by SOA. This keeps complex processes running smoothly behind the scenes. Meanwhile, the bank's mobile app uses REST. When you check your balance, the app sends a simple HTTP GET request to a RESTful API and gets a quick JSON response. The app doesn't need to know the bank's internal complexity, just the right URL and how to handle the response. REST keeps user interactions fast and efficient, while SOA manages the heavy lifting in the background. Together, they create a seamless banking experience. SOA and REST aren't rivals, they solve different problems. SOA is for integrating complex internal systems and managing long-running business processes. REST is for building fast, scalable APIs for web and mobile clients. Many companies use both. SOA for backend orchestration, REST for exposing services externally. The real question is, what problem are you trying to solve? Choose SOA for enterprise integration. Choose REST for lightweight public APIs. Understanding the difference helps you build better, more maintainable software.